Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Cloudflare.com. It's like the internet's invisible superhero. Cloudflare is a company that provides a range of services to help protect websites and make them faster. Think of them as the bodyguards for your favorite website, ensuring it stays safe and fast. But here's where it gets weird. Cloudflare does this by using what they call anycast routing. This means their servers are distributed all around the globe, so when you visit a website with Cloudflare protection, your request goes to the nearest server. This is like having an international network of friends who are always there to help out, no matter where you are. Now let's break this down. 1. The first key point is that by using anycast routing, Cloudflare can make websites super fast, no matter where in the world you're accessing them from. It's like having a personal cheat code for faster loading times. 2. Another cool thing about Cloudflare is their security features. They act as a buffer between your website and potential threats, making sure only legitimate traffic gets through. This is like having a trusted friend guarding the entrance to your favorite hangout spot. 3. Finally, one of my favorite aspects of Cloudflare is their ability to optimize content delivery. They analyze your website's traffic patterns and deliver different versions of your site based on the user's location. It's like having a personal stylist who knows exactly what you need before you even ask for it. So, to recap, Cloudflare uses anycast routing, has robust security features, and optimizes content delivery, all to help make websites faster and safer. Pretty cool, huh? Now that we've covered the basics of Cloudflare.com, I'm curious to know, would you trust an AI assistant with your daily tasks? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.